So how do you thread an industrial sewing machine? Let me show you. Today we're going to start with UVR bonded polyester. We're going to use the purple one right here, B92. Load it on our rack and just fish the material through the tensioner. Well, it's not a tensioner, it's more of a guide, I guess. Okay, now we're back here at the machine. Your thread ends tend to get frayed, so you want to thread the machine with a clean end, so just give it a snip. So what I like to do, I go through my top post twice, because I found this is what works good with my machine. Each machine varies. You gotta kind of play around with it till you get the tension that you like. So go through that twice, and we're gonna go through this guide twice. Okay, so that's our main guides. Now we're gonna go through this spring tensioner, and it's like two washer plates together with a spring pressing on it, and this is what's going to give your machine its most of its tension. So you're going to wrap the thread through the top, come around and over that little post at the bottom right there. Then you're going to come under to these plates right here and go between them, and you're going to pull up until it engages in this spring. So now you see the spring moving here. So now we're going to raise the needle to get this bar engaged. We're just going to clean the end of this up again. Then you can take both of these, because now you have one coming up and one coming down. Take both of them and put through that guide. Go through this guide, that guide. There's one more guide here at the bottom. We'll just get it in there. So now when you thread your needle, the bobbin's here on the right. So you want the thread to exit the needle on the right. So we thread from this side. This is what happens when you don't get a good clean edge. It frays on you. So pull enough through, trim it. Pull it through. So now your machine's threaded with its top thread. Now we have to thread the bobbin. So you open your bobbin case and lift the bail. For this, I'm using pre-wound bobbins. These are size G with 92 thread. So you want, for this machine, you want the thread to come off the bobbin in this direction. So it's going to come off like this, closer to the needle. Place that down with the notch down here on the bobbin case. This thread comes around the notch, comes under. So now we lift our foot. All we need to do is turn the hand wheel to lower the needle through. The hook comes around, grabs the top thread, and it catches the bottom thread. So we've made one rotation. Pull your top thread, and you can push it through. Now you're ready to sew. Generally speaking, each machine varies a little bit, but this is your basics on how it works. And as always, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for upcoming upholstery videos. All right, we'll catch you on the next one.